What's up guys, back in the shop today we are going to be tackling an axle install. My buddy Mike from Insane Shafts got us a set of axles for this K-Swap CRX. Let me show you. So first step, we're going to take off the wheel. We're going to separate the lower arm from the knuckle and we're going to slide these bad boys in here. So I guess let's just get started. Okay, so I wanted to take a second and introduce the axles to you guys. These are 02 to 06 RSX Civic Si K-Series EF CRX axles. These are the 500 horsepower level, which is basically their, lower end one for naturally aspirated cars. And let me install these bad boys. These are the Insane Shafts. Okay, I got the hub all ready to go. Knuckles kind of pulled out of the way. The hardware is off of the mount for the shock. Castle nut is off, and you guys can see the axle for the transmission, the intermediate shaft, is ready to go. So all I gotta do is just pop the axle in. Super easy install. All right, so the right side, passenger side axle is in. Just got to make sure that the inboard joint is all the way into the intermediate shaft, which it is. And coming around on this side, I have this side all prepped. Knuckles pushed out of the way again, ready for the left side driver's side axle to be installed. Easiest install ever. Time to put some stickers on.